guys, it's Doris and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be slime pressing. This is the best slime that I can do it with. All my other slimes are either too not sticky enough. So this is not sticky at all, but it sticks to this and it just wraps around it perfectly. So we're just going to do some stuff with this. So let's just get started. Give a thumbs up to this video if you like slime pressing. So yeah. Oh, messed up that part. My stand fell. Look how big that is. That was a fail one. Oh no! I think I can still save it. That one was not as good, but that's okay. I'm just trying to get the slime brownie. There we go. Oh my gosh. Another success. Oh my gosh. Fail. Give a thumbs up if you like slime pressing. Fail. Again. Let's try that again. So the slime pressing crackle was the one you just hear, and here's the regular crackle. Comment down below which one you think is better. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below again which one you think is better. Bye, guys.